Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your hosting or website builder, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you restore a backup of your hosting or website builder? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find a backup for your hosting or website builder anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you have a lot of assistants that might be working for you, including website builders, but sometimes they make a huge error, so you have to restore a previous version of your hosting or website. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your hosting or website builder. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Hostinger account, and this is the website builder and editor. Now, if you want to restore a previous version of your Hostinger website, what you're going to do is here on the left side, left menu, you're going to click on these three little dots. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu pop up, and in order to restore a previous version of your website, click on this button here, Manage Backups. Okay, so the cool thing about hosting your website builder is you can see it automatically backs up your website each time you do a publish. Now, these backups go back to 30 days. So unfortunately, if you have something past 30 days, it's not going to be available. But generally, you're going to find out an error from one of your assistants within a few days. So for example, here is the most recent version. And let's say we want to go back to September 23rd, which was yesterday. All you're going to do is just click on it, and then you're just going to click on Restore Backup. And then you're going to go ahead and confirm this, that you've already saved the most recent version, and then click on Restore. All right, it's going to process. Okay, and then a few seconds later, you're going to get this confirmation that your previous website version has been restored to that backup, and just click on Got It. Okay, so now here is an older version of my website. So if there were any errors that were created afterwards, hopefully those have now been removed. Now, if you want to go back, all you're going to do is just do the same thing, three dots, manage backups, and then we can go back to this version right here if we wanted to do so. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to restore a previous version of your hosting or website builder, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.